Hey everyone, Willie here. Welcome to Willie's Travel Ideas number 70. If you love summer travel but hate feeling like you're melting, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to thrive, not just survive, on your hottest adventures. From hydration hacks to sun safety and must-have gadgets, I've got you covered. Whether you're hiking, exploring a city, or lounging by the pool, I'll help you beat the heat and have fun doing it. So grab your sunglasses and water bottle. Let's dive into my summer survival guide. Hydration is your #1 ally in the heat. Always carry a reusable water bottle. Bonus if it keeps drinks cold for hours. Refill it at every opportunity, airports, cafes, or even with help from friendly locals. When you're sweating a lot, plain water isn't enough. Add electrolyte tablets to your bottle for a quick boost. They're lightweight, easy to pack, and help your body absorb fluids faster. Watch for signs of dehydration, dry mouth, dizziness, or dark urine. If you notice these, take a break and hydrate. Set phone reminders to sip water regularly, especially on busy days. Add lemon or mint for flavor, and make hydration fun for kids. Whoever finishes their bottle first wins a treat. Remember, caffeine and alcohol dehydrate you, so match each cup with a glass of water. Freeze your water bottle overnight for a cold drink that lasts. Snack on water-rich foods like watermelon or cucumber to stay refreshed. Hydration isn't just about what you drink. What you eat matters too. Keep a bottle handy and make it a habit to drink before you feel thirsty. If you're traveling with family, encourage everyone to check in on each other's hydration. For long days out, pack extra water and snacks in your day bag. Electrolyte powders or tablets are a lifesaver on especially hot days. Don't wait until you're parched. Prevention is key. Staying hydrated keeps your energy up and your adventures going strong. Trust me, your body will thank you at the end of a long, hot day. Packing smart makes all the difference in summer. Choose lightweight, moisture-wicking clothes that dry fast and keep you cool. Cotton is comfy, but technical fabrics are better for travel. A wide-brimmed sun hat and UV protective sunglasses are musts. Style and safety in one. Look for shirts and accessories with built-in UPF for extra sun protection. Breathable shoes or sandals keep your feet cool. Pack lightweight socks for longer walks. A packable rain jacket doubles as sun and wind protection. Bring a small, foldable backpack for water, snacks, and cooling gadgets. Roll your clothes to save space and prevent wrinkles. Pack outfits by day to avoid digging through your bag in the heat. Use packing cubes for easy organization. Coordinate colors with your travel group for easy spotting and fun photos. Leave room for souvenirs. You'll want to bring home a new favorite shirt or hat. Don't overpack, but don't skip essentials like hats, sunglasses, and a light jacket. Smart packing means less stress and more comfort on your trip. The right gear keeps you cool and ready for anything. Travel is about discovering new favorites. Pack for adventure. Stay light, stay cool, and enjoy every moment. Cooling gadgets are game changers for summer travel. Portable fans, handheld, clip-on, or wearable, bring instant relief anywhere. Cooling towels are a must-soak, wring, snap, and drape for a quick chill. Misting bottles act like mini air conditioners, perfect for dry destinations or long waits. Add a drop of peppermint oil for an extra refreshing spritz. Rechargeable neck fans and personal air conditioners sound futuristic, but they work and fit in your bag. Kids love these gadgets too. Give them a fan or misting bottle and watch the complaints disappear. Don't forget a compact power bank to keep everything charged. Pack a small foldable umbrella for instant shade, rain or shine. Staying cool isn't just about comfort, it keeps your energy up for more adventures. Choose the gadgets that work for you and embrace your inner techie. A little preparation means you can enjoy every minute, no matter how hot it gets. Keep your cooling tools handy in your day bag. Share gadgets with your group for maximum fun and comfort. The right gear makes even the hottest days enjoyable. Stay chill, stay happy, and keep exploring. Beat the heat with a little creativity and the right tools. Timing is everything for beating the heat. Plan outdoor adventures for early mornings or late evenings when it's cooler, and the light is perfect for photos. Midday sun, usually 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., is the hottest. Use this time to relax indoors, enjoy a long lunch, or visit a museum. Many cities come alive in the evening with markets and street performers. Explore when it's cooler and less crowded. For hikes or nature trips, start early to avoid crowds and catch wildlife at its most active. Beach mornings mean calm waters and soft sand. Late afternoons are great for a swim and sunset views. If you must be out during peak heat, take frequent breaks in the shade and drink plenty of water. Use a weather app to plan your day around the hottest hours. Try a local siesta, rest in the afternoon, then head out when it cools down. Adjust your schedule to work with the sun, not against it. Early starts and late finishes mean more energy and better experiences. Avoiding the midday heat keeps you safer and happier. Plan your toughest activities for the coolest parts of the day. Enjoy the city's quieter moments and unique evening vibes. Flexibility is your friend. Change plans if the heat gets intense. The best adventures happen when you feel your best. Outsmart the sun and make every day count. Sun safety is non-negotiable for summer travel. Use broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen and reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Don't forget easy-to-miss spots: ears, neck, tops of feet, and hands. Sunglasses with 100% UVA/UVB protection are essential. Polarized lenses are great near water or snow. Seek shade whenever possible, under trees, umbrellas, or awnings. Lightweight, long-sleeved shirts and pants with UPF add extra protection without overheating you. Convertible pants are perfect for changing weather. Zip off the legs when it's hot. Lip balm with SPF protects sensitive lips from burning. Make sun safety a habit for the whole family. Let kids pick fun hats and sunglasses. Apply sunscreen as part of your morning routine and keep a travel-size bottle handy. Sun protection is about staying healthy, not just looking good. Take breaks in the shade to cool off and give your skin a rest. Good habits now mean healthier skin for years to come. Don't let sunburn ruin your trip. Protect your glow. Stay covered, stay cool, and enjoy every sunny moment. Your skin will thank you long after the trip is over. Outsmart the heat by choosing naturally cooler destinations and activities. Mountain towns, lakesides, and shaded parks are perfect summer escapes. Water activities, kayaking, swimming, or paddleboarding are classic ways to stay cool. Explore forested trails or botanical gardens for natural shade and fresh air. Spend the hottest hours indoors at museums, aquariums, or quirky local shops. Try evening or night tours. Stargazing hikes, sunset cruises, or lantern-lit walks offer a new perspective. On road trips, seek out scenic drives with shady stops and cool streams. Sometimes, the best plan is to relax in a hammock with a cold drink. Vacation is about recharging, not just racing from one hot spot to the next. Choose comfort and happiness over crowds and heat. The coolest adventures are the ones you truly enjoy. Make memories where you're comfortable and refreshed. Knowing how to handle heat emergencies is crucial. Watch for signs of heat exhaustion, heavy sweating, dizziness, nausea, or headache. Move to a cool place, hydrate, and rest. Heat stroke is serious. Look for confusion, dry skin, or fainting. Call for help, cool the person down, and never leave them alone. Carry a basic first aid kit with bandages, wipes, pain relievers, and rehydration salts. Let someone know your plans if you're heading to remote areas, and check in regularly. Plan routes with plenty of water stops and be flexible if the heat gets intense. Make sure everyone in your group knows what to do in an emergency. Check local advisories for heat waves or air quality alerts before heading out. Apps make it easy to stay informed and safe. A little preparation means you can relax and focus on the fun. Stay alert, stay safe, and enjoy your summer adventures. Emergency Prep lets you focus on cool breezes and good times. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.williguru.com. Check out my funny short for this video. Yes sir, a must-see. Check out my Amazon Associates links in the description of this video to see my top summer picks to stay cool. Safety first. Memories second to none. That's my ultimate survival guide for extreme summer travel. Now it's your turn. Share your favorite summer survival tips in the comments below.